You found a CTG folder on your camera SD card and you think your photos are inside. They aren't. These are just index files for the camera's menu system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why you can ignore these and where your actual images are hiding. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the CTG file. I'll reveal it at the end. The file header identifies the CTG extension as belonging to the metadata index file type. The file's organization is managed by the Canon digital camera catalog file system. As a generic 3-letter extension, CTG is often associated with camera catalog files, used by Canon cameras to track photos, but in a general software context, it is typically an unknown or proprietary metadata file. When encountered outside of a specific application, it may pose a security risk or indicate a failed component of a larger program. Due to the lack of clear developer information, the design rules are proprietary and undocumented. The challenge lies in the fact that the file is unusable without the exact application that created it. Attempting to open it outside of the original software is likely to lead to errors or reveal unreadable binary data. Essential file access for CTG relies upon the utility unknown software from unknown developer. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows provides no structural breakdown, so cataloging programs are required for interpretation. To ensure success, right-click the CTG file and select Open With. Run the file through unknown software if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If you are still having trouble opening the CTG file, do not worry. If the CTG file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, do not open. Do not attempt to open the CTG file itself, as it is a camera catalog file and contains no image data. The camera uses it for indexing. Next, find associated files. Look in the same folder, usually Canon MESC, for the corresponding image files, typically .jpg or .cr2. Finally, use camera connection. If images are missing, connect the camera's memory card to the computer, using the camera or a card reader to allow the camera's software to read the photos properly. If your CTG file is still locked after everything we've tried, it's time to adopt a reliable solution. The best fix to try is a tool built precisely for files that resist normal software. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the CTG content is a massive time saver. Visit filemagick.com to download now. Thank you for being a valued viewer. Got a related question? Post it in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel.